The ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle is about to change the game for anyone who's ever struggled with slow computer performance. Imagine having a supercomputer that fits right in your home office, effortlessly crunching through complex AI tasks without breaking the bank. That's exactly what this bundle delivers. Extreme AI performance, made possible by the powerful NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip. With 1 petaFLOP of processing power and 128 gigabytes of memory for fine-tuning models, you'll be amazed at how quickly your computer can handle even the most demanding tasks. But that's not all. This bundle also comes with a cable type that's just as impressive. SAS/fiber cable. This means you'll have lightning-fast data transfer rates, enabling a total bandwidth of 400 G. That's more than enough to keep up with even the most data-hungry applications. One of the standout features of this bundle is its developer-optimized platform. This means it's tailor-made for AI researchers and developers who need full-stack compatibility and streamlined workflows. No more fiddling around with complex software or waiting for your computer to catch up. This bundle makes it all easy. Now, let's talk about data rate. 112 G per lane might sound like a mouthful, but trust me when I say it's a game changer. With this level of bandwidth, you'll be able to support dual DGX10 system stacking, unlocking superior scalability and performance that's unmatched in the industry. But what really sets this bundle apart is its advanced thermal design. Engineered cooling ensures sustained high performance and reliability in an ultra-small form factor. That means you can have a powerful supercomputer without sacrificing any desk space or aesthetics. The ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle is also designed specifically for Ethernet PAM4 applications, making it the perfect choice for anyone who needs to handle high-speed data transmission. And with its full-stack AI solution, featuring NVIDIA's GB10 and AI software stack, you'll have everything you need to develop and deploy your own AI models. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this bundle worth the investment? The answer is a resounding yes. Not only does it offer unparalleled performance and scalability, but it also comes with a price tag that's hard to beat. By using the link below, you can get your hands on this incredible bundle for an unbeatable deal. In short, the ASUS Ascent GX10 Bundle is a must-have for anyone who wants to unlock their full AI potential without breaking the bank. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience the future of computing today.